Good afternoon, everyone. Today we'll start with the topic the cell. Definition of cell. A cell is the smallest unit that is capable of performing life functions. Discovery of the cell. In 1965, Robert Hooke observed slices of cork from the bark of a tree under a simple magnifying glass. He noticed small boxes or compartments in the cork slice. The boxes were separated from each other by a wall or partition. He named each box as a cell. The cells which Hooke observed were actually dead cells of plants. Animal cell, plant cell. So we'll see animal cell and the plant cell difference is given. Cell wall is absent in animal cell but it is present in plant cell because it is formed of cellulose. Shape. Animal cell shape is round or it is irregular shape. Plant cell shape is rectangular, that is fixed shape. Vacuole. In animal cell, one or more small vacuoles are present, much smaller than plant cells. In plant cell, one large central vacuole taking up 90% of cell volume. Centrioles. In animal cell, it is present in all animal cells. In plant cell, only present in lower plant forms. Chloroplast. Animal cell don't have chloroplast. Plant cells have chloroplast because they make their own food. Plastids. Plastids are absent in animal cell but present in plant cells. Plasma membrane, also known as cell membrane, is present only in cell wall and cell membrane are present. Lysosomes. In animal cell, lysosomes occur in cytoplasm, but in plant cell, lysosome usually not evident. Cilia. Cilia is present in animal cell, but it is very rare in plant cell. Now I will teach you the diagram of animal cell. The outer membrane is known as cell membrane or plasma membrane. It is a very thin skin covering the cell. The cell membrane or plasma membrane protects the cell. It provides shape to the cell. It allows materials to enter and leave the cells through the tiny holes. Now the next one below the centrosome is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance occupying most of the space inside the cell. It occupies the space between the cell membrane and the nucleus. All the life functions takes place in the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm contains many important tiny structures called the organelles which perform the various life functions. In the center, you are able to see the pink structure and the circular structure that is known as nucleus. The nucleus is present inside the cell surrounded by the cytoplasm. The nucleus is the boss of the cell. The nucleus also controls everything that happens in the cell. Most cells have only one nucleus and the center part is known as nucleolus and the outer part is known as nuclear membrane. Outside the nuclear membrane, endoplasmic reticulum is there. Rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Being a network of membranes, it provides a large surface area for life functions to take place. Below rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes is there. Ribosomes helps in the synthesis of proteins. Below ribosome, Golgi bodies are there. Golgi bodies collect and distribute the substances made in the cell. For example, you can take the example of proteins. Protein synthesis and excretion of many materials. On the left side, you are able to see down mitochondrion. Singular form is mitochondrion, or we can say mitochondria. It is known as the powerhouse of the cell. It performs the function of respiration and provides the cell with energy. Above to mitochondria is vacuole. Vacuole are generally absent from animal cell, and if present they are smaller in size and lesser in number. And they generally store space present in the cytoplasm. Below the cell membrane, we are able to see lysosomes. Lysosomes are also known as suicide bags. They contain enzymes which help in breaking down or destroying the various materials, usually toxic or unwanted. I will teach you about now plant cell. It is double layer. The outer wall is known as cell wall. Inside the cell wall is the membrane known as plasma membrane or cell membrane. Then down right side you are able to see chloroplast. Chloroplasts are present only in plant cells. They contain a green pigment called chlorophyll and helps in food manufacture during the process of photosynthesis. And all the other organelles are same like animal cell. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you students and have a great day.